Hey guys, so today we are going to do a video with Lucy. We are going to unbox another video from Karina's Closet. Let's see what goodies we have now. One item, look how beautiful this is. It's aqua. I don't know if the MSRP is on here. MSRP is $298 and I got it for $4. $4. I'm telling you guys, you gotta follow Karina's Closet. Like, it is so worth it. Look at, I just want you guys to see like how all sparkly. Is it gonna fit me? I don't know. I mean, it was $4. Who's gonna bitch about $4? Yeah, like, you buy it and then see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, gift it or resell it. So this is one item. Another item, this is a Bardot extra large US 10, retail $149. Is this gonna fit? No. How much was it? $1. Would you buy it if I were me? Yes. Like, it's $1. Again, you can resell it. It's new with tags, gift it to a family member, or just, I don't know, do something with it. It was $1. And then we have items. What it is, I don't know. All right, the first one is Endless Rose, Bloomingdale's again. The price was originally, I can't see because it's covered, but this is cute. Like Valentine's or a date, anniversary. This is cute. I mean, it was $1. Why not? Again, the tags are on. It's brand new with tags. Listen, I'm here for a blowout sale, okay? I will find someone to gift it to. And then this one is Sanctuary top, MSRP $149, Bloomingdale's again, or maybe it's a dress. It's a medium. I don't know who's gonna fit. This is not my style, so I'm probably gonna gift it, resell it, who knows. But I mean, she's trying to clear her inventory, and why not help her clear it at those prices, right? It's everything I got from Karina. You guys know I shop with her all the time. Her prices are great. Her items are great. She has a lot of like Bloomingdale's clothing. Everything's brand new with tags. Well, most of them are brand new with tags. But anyway, I shop with her. Would I shop with her again? Absolutely. Do I recommend her? Absolutely. You guys know where her handle is on this screen. I appreciate you guys for always stopping by, viewing. Even if you never leave a comment or you never leave a like, a view means everything. So if you just like the content, I guess I get to know that you like the content by that. If you ever have any questions, please put it down below and I will answer it. I just wish that everyone has a blessed and amazing day, and for everyone to stay safe, and until we see each other again, which is tomorrow, I love you. Mwah.